The last thing you want is for your living room to have a cheap and uninspiring atmosphere. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to transform a cheap looking living room into a space that exudes elegance and style. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika, your interior designer. Before we begin, I would like to remind you to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that many of us can relate to. We all know that feeling when you walk into a room and it just doesn't quite have that polished, high quality look. In this video, I'll be sharing some expert tips and tricks to help you upgrade your living room interior from mere to marvelous. All right, let's get into it. One major culprit and the number one on my list is visible cords and cables. Goodness, I hate seeing those things. You know the drill. Tangled black wires, white in some cases, snaking across the floor. Come on, even sound engineers have found a way around cable management. As minute as cables may seem, they can ruin the overall aesthetics of your home, especially in your TV area. But fear not, there's always a solution to that. For new houses, there is always provision for cable management, and for older apartments, we'll need to use probably fluted panels or wooden panels. The least you can do is use cable trunks to hide the wires, and they're very affordable. The next offender is poor quality furniture. Nothing screams cheap like flimsy construction and worn out upholstery. Don't worry. We have some amazing tips to help you choose the right furniture pieces that will make your living room pop with sophistication. You can find the link below in the description box. Leather sofas don't necessarily mean luxury. So if you can't maintain a leather sofa, get a nice fabric one. There's something called refurbishing. If you can't also get a new set, you can fix the old one and it will also look as good as new. Another big no-no is a clutter and lack of organization. A messy living room will not only look cheap, but it can also be distressing and overwhelming. Get rid of the clutter, keep your living room looking pristine and stylish. And then what about those outdated decor items? Faded rug, old-fashioned curtains, and mismatched furniture. All these can turn the most elegant space into a design disaster. But don't fret, we can guide you on how to choose timeless decor pieces that will stand the test of time and even elevate your living room's aesthetics. And of course, we can't forget the importance of lighting. Inadequate or harsh lighting can instantly make your living room feel unwelcoming, and you guessed it, also look cheap. I've shared some lighting tips and tricks to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that will make your guests say, wow. You can also find the link in the description box below. Now, let's not overlook the power of little details. Paying attention to details. Sloppy paintworks, chipped surfaces, and poorly installed fixtures can bring down the overall look of your living room. Pay attention to those finishing touches to achieve a polished and sophisticated vibe. And lastly, a truly luxurious living room should reflect your personality and tell your story. We'll guide you on how to add those personal touches, from artwork to family photos to sentimental decor that will make your living room feel like a true reflection of yourself. So, are you ready to transform your living room from drab to fab? All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I'd love to see what you create out of these tips. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up, share this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.